morning, students. We welcome here at Spark, Rock and Ganesha Educators Private Limited. Spark is catering the students' need of school section, 8th, 9th and 10th standard, junior college, 11th, 12th, both science and commerce, degree college, BCom, BMS and BAF. Whereas Rock and Ganesha preparing the students for all-year basis test such as NEET, JEE Main, JEE Advanced and Maharashtra CET. Spark is since 1990, approximately 30 years. Rock and Ganesha for many years. Education means train the mind to think. Therefore, Spark Academy motto: train the student's mind to think independently. Whereas Rock Ganesha, enhancing the capability of students. Therefore, students, you are the safe and lucky hands of blend of experience, youth, and talented teachers. Alright, I'll help you to understand maths. Before I start teaching to you, I want to revise a few basic concepts of maths, what you studied in the past years from 1st to the 11th standard. For example, you study maybe the lower KG 1st standard number system 1, 2, 3 and so on, called natural numbers. Then add a 0 in that, 0, 1, 2, 3, called whole numbers. Then integers, number line, all negative numbers, 0, positive numbers. Rational numbers you study in the 8th standard, fractions, 2 upon 3, 4 upon 5. Irrational numbers like root 3, root 5, root 7 and so on. Then real numbers. In the 11th standard you study complex numbers. Complex numbers are of type A plus bi form. You know that. After that I want to discuss with you even numbers. Even numbers we can divide by 2. Odd numbers we can't divide by 2. Then perfect square numbers, prime numbers, which we can't divide by any numbers. So here, first point, all natural numbers are whole numbers, all whole numbers are integers, all integers are rational and irrational numbers, all rational numbers are real numbers, and all real numbers are complex numbers. Again I repeat, complex numbers is of type A plus bi, where I is root minus 1, I square equal to minus 1. One more result I want to revise, the sum of cube root of a unity is 0. Even numbers, example 2, 4, 6, odd numbers 1, 3, 5, perfect square numbers 1, 4, 9, so on, prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on. Now, a few questions to you students to think. As we said, education means to train mind to think. Think here. Is 0 even number or odd number? 1 is a prime number, and which is an even prime number? Think. The next lecture, I'll ask this question. I want to revise one more concept, that's quadratic equation. Equation of type ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers, condition apply a not equal to 0. All quadratic equations have at most 2 roots. Again, one more question to you. Think. Does a quadratic equation always have real roots? Its answer lies below discussion. Think on that. You also remember the nature of roots in 10th standard. That is called discriminant, whose value is b square minus 4ac. First condition, delta equals 0, roots are real and equal. Second, delta more than 0, roots are real and unequal. Third condition, roots are delta less than 0. In that case, roots are not real. Try to get your answer. Next time I'll ask that. Students, I want to start with mathematical logic of 12th standard, which is approximately 8 marks. Last year there was 8 marks, now present syllabus changed. I hope it will remain same 8 marks. The first one, logic. So whenever you talk with each other, your friends and all that, sometimes you say, and you might have said it, that they know you're just talking no sense, means no reason, no fact in that. So here logic means the science of reasoning. Whenever there are some reasons involved, thinking process involved is called logic. Okay? Also students, you study sets in the 9th standard and 11th standard. It has own language, as are symbols, union, intersection, subset. On the similar lines, study of logic in the symbolic form is called mathematical logic. So therefore I discuss the meaning of topic name mathematical logic. Again, logic means science of reasoning, and mathematical logic means is a study of logic in the symbolic form is called mathematical logic. Knowledge of this topic. And student, please remember the knowledge. If you know the knowledge, you can tackle straight 80% question. Rest a little thinking required, you can get 100% marks. So let's discuss statement. Again, all sentences what we speak with each other are not statements. Only the one particular type sentence, which is simple, assertive, or declarative sentence, condition further, which is either true or false, but not both at the same time, is called statement of logic. I repeat, a simple, assertive, or declarative sentence, which is either true or false, but not both at the same time. Remember, first point, we denote a statement in logic with small letters P, Q, R, S, and they are called statement letters. You know why they are called statement letters? Because they are letters and representing statement, hence these are called statement letters. Second point, if a statement is true, then its truth value is T. If statement is false, then its truth values are false. We'll take example later on. Third point, all well-defined mathematical identities are always statement. Let's discuss the word meaning of well-defined. Now, you know students, use our famous, your favorite formula in algebra, a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This written as it is okay to you, but not in logic. Logic is a perfect science, exact science. It should be this way, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. For all a comma b belongs to R. One more example. Another favorite result of trigonometry. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. You always use like this. It is okay to use it, but not in the logic. In the logic, it is wrong. It is not a statement. It should be as cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Again, for all theta belongs to R. So all variables should belong to our real numbers. Now, students, there are many sentences are there. They are directly not a statement. Whenever they come, just write not statement without this reason. First, imperative sentence. In imperative comes order or command. The next one, interrogative. All the sentence which with question mark, not statement. Third, request. Fourth, exclamatory sentences. The surprises are there. Will involve your feelings. Then your imagination, predictions, suggestions, open sentences. I'll discuss this. Advice, blessing, prayers, wishes are not statement. And you know all these sentences. In the next lecture, when we start our first exercise, all think one example on all these. What is imperative sentence? Interrogative, suggestions, exclamatory, imagination, suggestions, and all that. This I discussed open sentences. But this is maybe new. Now, what does that open sentence means here? Many choices are there. Or different person has a different opinion. Even opinion sentence is not a statement. For example, he is a doctor. It's not a statement because not declare who's he. If I say here, Mishra is a doctor, then it become a statement. You can have anybody name, anyone name. So many choices. Second equation, x plus y is equal to 10. Not a statement. Why? Because x is not declared. If I declare value of x, it become a statement. If I write say x is equal to 5, 5 plus 5 equal to 10, become true statement. You can say 4x is value 4, 4 plus 5, 9, not equal to 10. State a statement, but is a wrong statement. Truth value will be f in that case. So these are, remember, and be ready with the one sentence next time. Alright. So again, before starting the question exercise next time, I want to discuss with you a basic skill in mathematics writing. I'm teaching for last maybe from 90 onwards, you can say 30 years experience. So when we correct answer booklet and all, so these are compile mistakes of students, and these are maximum you do it. You do many, but these are maximum. So please take care of that. You can write down later on, and I repeat almost per week this sentences. First one, group all same terms together. Second, we can add, subtract, multiply, divide only same type of terms. Third, when you convert one term to more than one, please write within a bracket. When you have fractions, sum of fractions, fractions, we always cross multiply or we take LCM. Whenever there is a negative index, change to the positive index. Whenever there is a square root in the denominator, rationalize it. And finally last, this is really many way, cancel the factors in the equation form or in the fraction form. Remember this. Thank you very much.